Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Every Day with Emma, the podcast where we help you speak English naturally and confidently, step by step. I'm your host, Emma, and today I'm joined by my good friend Alex, who's here to help us learn 100 daily English phrases that you can start using right away.
Hey, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here. These phrases are perfect for beginners who want to sound more like native speakers, not textbook English, but real English.
Exactly. We'll go through 5 sections: greetings, daily life, eating out, shopping and travel, and common expressions.
And don't worry, we'll repeat, explain, and give short examples for each phrase so you can listen, repeat, and remember easily.
Perfect. Let's start with part 1, greetings and introductions.
Okay, Emma. Let's start simple. What's the most basic greeting in English?
That's easy. Hello or hi.
Right. Let's say it together. Hello. Hi.
Now a few polite ones.
1. Good morning. 2. Good afternoon. 3. Good evening.
Remember, we use good morning until noon, good afternoon after lunch, and good evening after about 6 p.m.
And when we say goodbye, we can use good night.
Exactly. Let's continue.
4. How are you? 5. I'm fine, thank you. 6. What's your name? 7. My name is Alex. 8. Nice to meet you.
You can make it more natural by adding emotion. Nice to meet you with a smile makes a big difference.
Yes. And here are some casual ones. 9. How's it going? 10. What's that? 11. How have you been? 12. Long time no see.
Those are great for talking to friends.
And when you finish a conversation, 13. Take care. 14. See you later. 15. Have a good day.
Let's do a quick example. Hi, Alex. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not bad. Nice to see you again.
You too. Take care.
Perfect. That's how natural conversation sounds.
Perfect. That's how natural conversation sounds.
21. I just woke up. 22. I'm getting ready. 23. I'm brushing my teeth. 24. I'm taking a shower. 25. Time for breakfast.
Good. When you say these, try to use the present continuous. I'm ing. It makes your English sound more active and natural.
Exactly. More phrases. 26. I'm going to work. 27. I'm at the office. 28. Let's have lunch. 29. I'm back home. 30. I'm so tired.
You can add emotion too. I'm so tired means you really need a rest.
Right. And now evening phrases. 31. What's for dinner? 32. Let's watch a movie. 33. I'm doing the dishes. 34. I'm cleaning my room. 35. I'm studying English.
Great one. Say that every day. I'm studying English.
And to finish the day, 36. I'm going to bed. 37. Sweet dreams. 38. Sleep well. 39. See you tomorrow. 40. Good night.
Let's make a short example.
I just woke up. I'm making coffee.
Good morning. Time for breakfast.
Later, let's watch a movie.
Sounds great. Okay, let's imagine we're at a restaurant.
41.
Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? 42. I'd like this one. 43. Can I have some water? 44. I'm hungry. 45. I'm full.
And to be polite, always say please and thank you.
47. This is delicious. 48. It tastes great. 49. Check, please. 42. Thank you very much.
Let's practice. Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. What do you recommend?
I'd like the chicken salad, please.
Great choice.
Next, let's go shopping.
61. How much is this? 62. It's too expensive. 63. Can you give me a discount? 64. I'll take it. 65. Do you have this in another color?
That's great for clothing stores.
66. Where's the fitting room? 67. It fits perfectly. 68. It's too small. 69. I'll pay by cash. 70. Thank you for your help.
Perfect. Now, travel phrases.
71. Where's the bus station? 72. How do I get to the airport? 73. I need a taxi. 74. What time is it? 75. I'm lost. 76. Can you help me? 77. Turn left. 78. Go straight ahead. 79. It's near here. 80. Have a safe trip.
Let's make a travel scene. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight ahead and turn left. It's near here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Perfect practice for travelers. Now, let's finish with common daily expressions.
81. Really? 82. That's great. 83. Oh, no. 84. I don't understand. 85. Can you repeat that? 86. Please speak slowly.
Those are so useful in conversations.
87. I agree. 88. I don't think so. 89. That's interesting. 90. Let's go.
And some everyday polite ones.
91. Wait a moment. 92. I'm ready. 93. Let's start. 94. Don't worry. 95. It's okay. 96. Take your time. 97. Good luck. 98. Congratulations. 99. See you later. Bye-bye.
Great job, everyone. That's 100 phrases, and you did it.
Yes, if you repeat these daily, you'll start thinking in English without translating.
Exactly. Listen to this episode a few times and try to use 5 or 10 phrases every day in real life.
Practice is everything.
Thank you for joining us today, Alex.
Thanks, Emma. This was so much fun.
And thank you, listeners. Don't forget to follow and leave a review for English Every Day with Emma. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling.